Hello everyone, Dan here, and today I'm reviewing this wireless charger stand. We picked this up because we needed one that would actually charge fast. The previous one we had just didn't charge fast at all. And this model is pretty nice. It's got this kind of nice presentation to it. You have an LED here on the side, and then a USB-C port at the back here. And that's what you get in the box. You get the charging stand, you get the USB-C cable, you get your instruction manual, and that's pretty much it. Now, the important thing to note with this, in order to get your fast charging, you have to have a fast charging power supply or brick here that would support fast charging for your phone. So an older, like an Apple brick or something like that, that is putting out like a 1 amp may not work or may not provide the fast charging capabilities. So you have to have something that's modern, that's putting out the higher voltage and amperage to provide that fast charging capability. So that's something to keep it in mind when you're picking up something like this. If you already have the USB device to send this the power it needs, then you're all set. So I have a phone here. We're just going to put this on and okay, wirelessly fast charging, 66%. We got an hour and 10 minutes, hour and 3 minutes until full. Now, what I wanted to do was test and see if just direct USB-C charging on this improves that. And this is about 48 minutes direct. So obviously direct wired charging is faster, but really for the convenience here, doing a plug in here for your stand-up charger, hour and 3 minutes, that's still pretty good. And that's fast charging for just the wirelessly charging. So this would be great for a nightstand, or what we like to do is have this in the kitchen. We're up and around and we can pop this in here on the kitchen counter and bring up some music and play some music off our phone in the kitchen while we're making meals. And it's a great addition to the home. So I hope this video helps you in your decision to picking up one of these. Thanks for watching.